Weeks and rallies of support to get patients the best care they can get.
They saved my life. Well, brought me back to life. I actually died earlier this year.
The proposed NCH cardiac stroke facility at Baker Hospital is still being discussed at City Hall as we speak. Welcome back. I'm Lois Tomey.
I'm Chris Safadi. For 2 years, NCH and the city have been working at a deal here. Wink News reporter Michelle Alvarez, live in Naples now. Michelle, are most people there in support of this new facility?
Chris, we reported on a rally of supporters just last week, but today they're hoping on a decision on whether or not this long-planned facility will get the green light. Several people have spoken so far at today's meeting, but the Planning Advisory Board is still discussing. NCH wants to build a Heart and Stroke Institute, also known as the Schulze Center, at its downtown campus.
We have listened and had multiple meetings. It's public record for our schedule, what we've done. And I believe by listening to our community, our neighbors especially, and most importantly our patients.
They already have the community support with donations amounting to over $100 million, but now they need approval.
We're a big city now, and we can't just be running to the doctor or sitting in waiting rooms waiting to get into the hospital.
I've had 2 heart episodes, and I can tell you when you're laying in an ambulance, you are counting the minutes. The last thing I want is to worry about Naples traffic and getting up to North Naples.
NCH and the city have been working on the plan for the past 2 years. Changes included lowering the building's height, reducing its square footage, relocating the parking area farther from the street, and adding landscaping.
Those of us who live in the community want this because we want our loved ones to have the best chance at living. And heart disease is the #1 killer. It isn't cancer. So please give us the parking we want. Give us the facility we're all begging for.
The facility would be a 5-story building, and the difference in height than other buildings is 3 feet.
I'm here to support NCH. They saved my life. Well, brought me back to life. I actually died earlier this year.
James Kernick survived cardiac arrest, not once, but twice.
Death makes a mockery of everything we think is important. So when you look at traffic, you look at aesthetics, property values, whatever the things are going to be, life and death should really outweigh those things.
The city of Naples said the project hasn't been turned down nor approved yet because it's still in the review process. NCH and their partners gave a presentation this morning, then they moved to public comment, but they're still in the meeting discussing. I'm live in Naples, Michelle Alvarez, Wink News.
All right, Michelle, we'll follow up on how that